Whenever you throw it,
I'm literally
just hold
carrying.
it.
It's a skill issue, bro.
Oh, you don't have food yet?
I can show you the gun.
Microwavable man. I just got this guy from a public lobby.
Bro, what are you talking about, bro? You literally were just saying that you've been my date one, bro.
Oh yeah.
Holy switch up, bro. Holy switch up.
You know, I'm not gonna
No, I'm not racist. That's
fix.
So like, Racking, do you have any money bags?
Let me check on that.
Yeah.
Let me get back to you on that. What are suck anyway?
Why did you get and job simulator videos pay off?
Alright, I got you.
Wait, no, not work at Pete's place.
I don't do work. You sniff those. Ah! Go away!
I don't know. I think that was a good idea.
Give me. Oh my god!
Gun, yeah.
I got a gun!